Here is how you can assign a full screen photo to your contacts on the iPhone. So let me explain it all. If you're new here, definitely subscribe to Foxtecc for more of these tutorials and explanations videos. Anyways, the contacts now in iOS 26 and a few like earlier versions of iOS have two photos which are attached or assigned to one contact. We have the profile picture and we have the contact poster. So that is kind of the distinction, but essentially the profile picture is the circular image which you can see next to the contacts, and it can also be visible when you are in the messages, right? It is the place for that. However, the full screen image is only for incoming phone calls. So that is the screen which appears when you are receiving a call from that person. But anyways, you can manage it when you go to that particular contact, tap on edit and go to the photos section. So as I said, we have the avatar as well as the poster. So the avatar is usually like the emoji or memoji or monogram, but you can as well choose your own picture from the gallery, whatever it might be. But we are now choosing the picture for the little circular profile picture. So that is what we need to select. And then we can switch over to the poster, which is the full screen photo. And this is the one which appears, as I said, when you are receiving a phone call. So that is what you need to set up in here as well. More options, like you can pick memoji, monogram, or a photo from your gallery. So you can pick whatever you want, but that's how you can end up with the combination of two images for one contact. So I hope it makes sense. I tried to explain it the best I could. So let me know what you think about it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hopefully will see you in the next videos too.